Hi, Big Tractor Power fans. I'm out in a western Kentucky winter wheat field with a CLAAS Lexion 780TT combine. This machine is a Class 10 harvester and is the largest combine available from CLAAS in North America. It's using a CLAAS Convio 1230 Flex Draper Head. That's a 40-foot wide model to harvest the wheat, and we'll see and hear this machinery at work out in the field. But to get started, let's talk about the machine's overall specifications. The 780TT is powered by a 6-cylinder, 15.6-liter Mercedes-Benz OM 473 engine. It's rated at 570 horsepower with a power boost all the way up to 617 horsepower for tough harvesting conditions. The high engine horsepower rating is what makes this a Class 10 machine. All combines are rated by their engine horsepower, and they are sized from Class 5 all the way up to Class 10 for the North American market. In comparison, the Class 9 CLAAS Lexion 760 is rated at 503 horsepower. The 780TT is equipped with CLAAS's TerraTrack system. This tracked setup allows the machine to improve traction, flotation, and reduce compaction as it harvests the crop moving across the field. There is a wheeled version of the 780, and it is only available for small grain harvesting and features a 360 bushel grain tank. Farms that are harvesting small grains and corn have to order the 780 TerraTrack model, which is equipped with a 385 bushel grain bin. The 780TT uses two industry-leading technologies to separate grain. It's called the APS hybrid system. Step 1 is using the APS to accelerate the crop material as it comes in through the 67-inch feeder housing. That ensures gentle and effective threshing. Step 2 is using the RotoPlus dual separation rotor system. Twin rotors will thresh the grain out and put it up in the bin and expel the crop material back out into the field through the combine's turbo chopper, which can spread material up to 45 feet. The Class 10 combine features a 304-gallon diesel fuel tank, a 22.5-gallon DEF tank for clean engine solutions, and weighs in at 40,124 pounds. The Lexion 780TT's list price is $800,000. CLAAS manufactures the Lexion combine for the North American market in Omaha, Nebraska. The company offers combines from size Class 6 all the way up to Class 10 for this region. Traditionally, Lexion combines are painted in green and white for the worldwide market. In North America, they are painted industrial yellow. This yellow color occurred because in the late 1990s, CLAAS partnered with Caterpillar to distribute their combines through the Caterpillar dealer network. Caterpillar is best known for manufacturing large bulldozers, excavators, and other earth movers. In the late 1980s, Caterpillar began to venture into the agricultural market, and by the late 1990s, they wanted to offer a full range of farm machines, including combines. In 2001, Caterpillar decided to exit the agricultural market and spun off its Challenger tractor line to the AGCO Corporation. CLAAS continued to manufacture the Lexion combine in Omaha, Nebraska. The Caterpillar name was retired from the combine's identification, but the yellow color continued because of its popular brand identity, and the CLAAS name began to appear in large lettering on all the Lexion combines rolling out of Omaha. CLAAS Convio Flex Draper Head is new for model year 2019. It's available in 3 different sizes. Here we can see the 40-foot model 1230 harvesting the wheat with the 780TT. There is also a model 1080 that is 35 feet wide and a model 1380 that is 45 feet wide. The CLAAS Convio head is built for harvesting a variety of crops, including wheat, soybeans, canola, and other small grains. This header is well suited for harvesting winter wheat. Here we can see a 90 bushel per acre yielding field, and there are some spots with down wheat, and that often becomes very difficult to lift up those areas where rain has swept the crop down and matted it. The Convio is impressive in that it just slices right under the wheat like a razor, shaving it off the field and gathering all of the crop, leaving just stubble behind. When the combine's 385 bushel grain bin is full of wheat, it's time to unload, and we can see the 29-foot unloading auger pour grain out at 3.8 bushels per second into a DEMCO 1050 grain cart that holds just over 1,000 bushels of grain. It's being pulled by a 517 horsepower CLAAS Xerion 5000 four-wheel drive tractor. I hope that you've enjoyed spending some time out in this western Kentucky wheat field, seeing the Class 10 CLAAS Lexion 780TT combine harvesting the crop. If you'd like to see more videos like this one, consider subscribing to Big Tractor Power YouTube, where there are over 1,000 videos of farm machines in action. If you have any questions or thoughts about the video, please leave them in the comment section below as I try to respond to every post that is made. If you'd like to get a preview of what is coming up next on Big Tractor Power YouTube, make sure to check out Big Tractor Power Instagram, where I share pictures and short video clips of what is currently being filmed in the field. Thank you for watching.